Hello.
Hello everyone. We thought we'd just say she's back.
I'm back. I've been back a couple of weeks actually, but we have been fairly busy.
Yeah.
Trying to catch up with things, and
it is very
hot.
very hot. We've got all the fans running. We've actually got the generator running at the moment as well. You might be able to hear it in the background, but it's been hot, humid, slightly overcast today, so we're down on power. We've got the fryer going, the air fryer going for supper. But we thought we'd just catch up with you very quickly and say sorry, there's no video this week for subscribers and non-subscribers. Patreons have got their usual video hit because they're patrons. And next week we hope we will be back on track. We've got some exciting stuff coming up. We've got the tear down of the Daihatsu engine, which turned out to be a bit of a nightmare. In fact, a lot of a nightmare. We've got all that. That video's already in the can, and patrons have already seen that. We have some chain issues with our chain and anchor.
I'm sweating.
And that's going up. And we are going to take a trip. We are going to go up to Sicily, and then we're going up to the Italian mainland in the very near future. We are just literally waiting for delivery from not Daihatsu, Mercury, and then once we've got that, we can get the engine rebuilt, and then we are going to I think we're probably going to buddy boat with either one or two other boats. We're going to go from Malta over to Sicily, and then up past the Messina Straits and
back again.
Up to near Crotone, and then we're going to come back again at a nice leisurely pace. It's a nice leisurely sailing, proper sailing, we hope. So that's about it, missus, isn't it, for now? Other than to say normal service will be resumed next week. Hopefully. Okay, so guys, as always, take care. Wear your kill cords, and sail safe, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.